HP docking stations enhance laptop connectivity, but issues like power failures, display problems, and connectivity glitches can arise. These often stem from hardware incompatibilities, outdated software, or user errors. Start troubleshooting by restarting your devices and checking all physical connections. The most common fixes involve updating drivers via the HP Support Assistant, especially for Windows 11 compatibility issues, which account for 40% of reported problems. Clean USB-C ports with compressed air if devices aren't recognized. Statistics show 60% of forum-solved issues involve physical cleaning or cable swaps. For display issues, cycle power to resolve EDID conflicts. Remember to monitor dock temperatures via the HP Command Center to prevent overheating, a known issue with models like the Thunderbolt Dock G4. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your HP docking station issues, move to advanced steps. Consider updating your BIOS using HP Sure Start to ensure compatibility and fix firmware-related problems. Verify your laptop's USB-C port functionality. Check the pinout to ensure all connections are intact, including data transmission and power delivery pins. For compatibility issues with non-HP devices like Lenovo laptops, access your BIOS settings and enable alternate mode to resolve display and connectivity problems. Stay informed about future trends in HP docking stations. HP is developing universal USB-C docks compatible with multiple brands and integrating AI for automatic troubleshooting. Expect fully wireless docks using Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth, along with eco-friendly materials made from recycled plastics, expected by 2027. Experts recommend updating drivers using HP's official apps instead of third-party tools to avoid conflicts and ensure security. Be aware of cybersecurity risks in firmware. Always keep firmware updated and consider potential exploits. If issues persist, consult HP's official support site or user communities for specific solutions.